Okay, guys, today we are working on solving rational number word problems. Okay, so basically, what we're doing when you're doing this, we've already gone over how to underline our keywords, circle our numbers, and cross out irrelevant information. Okay, today we're going to actually write the equation and solve the equation so we can find the answers. Okay, so we're going to still underline our words, circle our numbers, and cross out our extra information. And then we're going to write the equation and solve. Okay. So my first one, Mary is measuring the area of her garden. The length of the garden is 11.6 feet and the width is 9 feet. What is the total area of her garden? Okay, so let's look at this. She's measuring the area of her garden and we want to find the total area. Area means I multiply, right? Okay, I'm going to circle my numbers, 11.6 and 9. Okay, and then that's all we need. We don't need to cross out any extra information. Okay, so if we look at this, we're going to write our equation now. Okay, so we're going to write over here. Okay, she's measuring the area. That means we're multiplying, right? So we're going to multiply 11.6 times 9. Okay, and that's all we're doing. 11.6 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. And then 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Okay, and then I have one number behind the decimal here. So we're going to put one number behind the decimal here. And that's my answer, 104.4 feet squared. Okay, and that's my answer. That's how simple it is, okay? Let's make this a little bit smaller again. Okay, and we're going to move on. Okay, let's see. It says, Ben is having his birthday party. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, he wants to divide his 7 slices of cake between 4 people. How many slices of cake will each person get? How many slices? So we're dividing 7 slices between 4 people. Okay. We don't need to know that he's having a birthday party. Okay. So let's look at this again. Let's look. Okay. Number 2. Let's go up to number 2. Number 2. Okay. We're dividing, right? So we're dividing 7 slices by 4 slices. Okay. So we want to divide 4 goes into 7. Okay, because this is just like 7 over 4. Look at it, it's a fraction. That fraction bar means we're dividing. 7 divided by 4. So top goes in, bottom goes out. Okay, 4 goes into 7 once, because 4 times 2 is 8, right? So we can only do once. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 goes into 30. How many times? 7 times. Because that's 28. 4 times 7 is 28. And then I have 2 left over. Okay. And 4 goes into 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So my answer is 1.75 pieces. Each person gets almost 2 pieces, but not quite. They only get 1 3/4 of a piece. So we can leave it as 1 3/4 too. Okay. Makes sense. Are we good? Good. Let's move on. Small again. Okay. Okay. So my next one. Claudia has a collection of 35 stickers. She finds 4 more stickers at the store that she likes, but loses 18 stickers when her dog eats something. How many stickers does she have now? So, how many stickers? Come here. There we go. How many stickers do we have left? Okay. Let's look at our numbers first. 35, 4, and 18. Okay? So she knows she has a collection of total of 35 stickers, and she finds, if I find something, oops, we're supposed to, I circled it when we need to underline it. Okay. Okay, when she finds something, that means we are adding, because I'm adding on. When I find something, I get it. I add it on. More. That's that more right there makes add. Okay, but she loses some. So when I lose something, that means they go away. Okay, so first we need to do, let's look at what we need to do. Okay, number 3. How many did she have? 35 first. And then she adds on 4 more and then loses 18. Okay, so we're going to do 35 plus 4 minus 18. So 35 plus 4 is 39 minus 18. Okay, so we're going to do 39 minus 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So her total is 21 stickers. So she has 21 stickers now. Okay. Does that make sense? Are we good? It's pretty simple. Okay, we're going to start getting into some harder ones now. Okay, with number 4. Let's erase. Marcus wants to buy a computer that costs $345.99. Okay. He has currently saved $129.50. How much more does he need to buy the computer? So we know that's how much it costs. We know this is how much he's saved. Okay. How much more does he need to buy? So how much means we add, but if it says how much more or how much less, that means we need to subtract. Okay, so we're going to subtract our answers there. Okay, so we're going to subtract 345.99 minus 129.50. Okay, let's make this bigger. Okay, so we're subtracting the two numbers to find out how much more he needs. Okay, so I'm going to do 345.99 minus 129.50. Okay, well, let's start. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. But I can't do 5 minus 9. Okay, so I'm going to borrow from this 4, make it a 3, and we're going to make this 5 a 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So I need a total of $216.49 more to get my computer. Okay, any questions on that one? Let me know. We'll keep going. Okay, next one. Let's erase. Woo, this one's one of our harder ones, right? I would pay close attention to this one, guys, because there's usually one that's similar to this on your STAR test, and there's one similar to it on your actual unit test that's coming up on August 6th. August 6th, August 4th. October, not August, October. Okay, so he has to sell 270 chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, that's my total. Okay, 1/5 of them are dark chocolate. 1/3 of them are milk chocolate. 3/10 of them are white chocolate, and then the rest are chocolate swirl. So how many strawberries are chocolate swirl? How many? Okay, so this one, there's not a lot of what we need to do, okay? Whenever you have a fraction here, and this is a fractional part, 1/5 of the strawberries our dark chocolate. That means we want to multiply these two. So we're going to do 1/5 times 270, 1/3 times 270, and 3/10 times 270. And then we're going to add up everything, all of our totals. We're going to add up our totals. For all of those, okay? And then we're going to take that total and we're going to subtract 270 minus our total here that we get, okay? I know there's a lot to do here, but we're going to go step by step to see how to do it. And I highly recommend you, if you need to rewind and go back to this one, I highly recommend you do it because this one is one of our more important ones that you see almost all the time on your tests, okay? So we're going to start with 270 because that's my basic one, and 1/5 of those is dark chocolate. So we're going to do 270 times 1/5, okay? And that's really easy, okay? It's just 270 over 5. Anytime you have a whole number, it's always over 1, okay? Multiply across, and then that means we're just doing 270 divided by 5, okay? So we're going to do 5 goes into 270. So 5 goes into 27 5 times. That's 25. 2. Ooh, I forgot to make it bigger for you guys. I'm sorry. There we go. And then we bring down the 0. That's 25 goes into 24 times. So that means 54 are dark chocolate. Okay. And then I'm going to do 1/3 of 270. Okay, and that gives me 270 divided by 3. So now I'm going to do 3 goes into 270. Okay, 3 goes into 270 9 times. That's 27 and then 0. So 90 are milk chocolate. Okay, so these are our important numbers that we need to remember, 54 and 90. Okay, and then 3/10 are white chocolate. So 270 times 3, okay? 270 times 3. So 270, times 3, 0, 21, 6, 8, 8, 10. So 8, 10 divided by 10. Okay, when I divide by 10, all I have to do is cross off these zeros, and that's what it's going to be. So my answer is 81. So 81 are white chocolate. 81 is white chocolate. Okay, so now I need to add all three of those together. 81 plus 90 plus 54. Okay, and I have 81 plus 90 plus 54. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus another 5 is 23. 22. Sorry. Wrong. 22. Sorry. 225. So that's how many total I have right now. Okay, so to find how many are chocolate swirl, because that's the rest of them, we're going to do our number, our whole, what we started with, 270 minus 225. Okay, I have to borrow from the 7. That gives me 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so that means 45 are a swirl. Okay, so there's 45 swirls. Okay, this one is very important. Let me zoom out so you can see everything all together. Okay. Okay, that's very important, guys. We need to make sure that we know how to do this one because there's almost always one on the test that's like this. Okay, so all you need to do is fraction times the total number that you have, and then add all of those together, all of the totals you get on those, and then subtract that total from your original. Okay? I know it's a lot of work, but we want to make sure we know how to do that one. Okay? I want you to say, hey, we did something just like that with Miss Howell. I know how to do this. Okay? And if you're still confused, let me know. Okay. We've got one more, I believe. Let's go. Oh, maybe that was the last one. I think that was the last one. Man, I'm losing my mind. That was the last one. Okay. Example number 5. That was the last one. So that was the hardest one. Okay. If you guys still have any questions, let me know. Write me a note in comments and an email, or ask it in one of the live sessions, guys. I need people to come to the live sessions. Okay. Especially if you have questions. Okay. That's all we have for today. Have a good day.